What's the white stuff on the front of your hood, man? Turn pink, man.
2055, I'm turning on North Jefferson Avenue.
Temple. Dispatch, car 20. We're stopped at Polk Street, Chapels Highway.
That way.
Go ahead and step out for me, man. Step out for me.
Can I reach for my seatbelt?
Step out for me. Come on back here to my car. What are you doing?
I'm going to some light. I'm not finna pull up.
Step right here. You're on the main highway, man. Turn around and face me. All right, you turned off on me earlier on Chapels Highway, okay? I know that was you.
What?
Okay, you passed me going 78 miles an hour.
I don't think that was me. Sir.
That was you, okay? You're kind of pissing me off right now because you know what you're doing. You're a grown man. You're on the main highway coming in Saluda County from Newberry.
I'm not from Newberry. I'm coming from Clinton.
You're almost about to go to jail, okay?
Oh, I called a lady on the phone.
It doesn't matter. I don't care. We've been riding for 10 minutes now.
Sir, my mama told me not to pull over. When
No, you turned off on me. You were going almost 80 miles an hour down the road in a silver Dodge Charger. That was you.
Okay.
You saw me turn around on you, then you dipped off on me.
No, I turned like I was supposed to.
Turn where?
On the road.
So you were going 78 miles an hour?
No.
Yeah, you were. Go ahead and turn around for me. Turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
You got his ID and everything?
I'm about to get it. So if you don't know where you are, or you're on a back road, and you turn off on me on a road, that doesn't make any sense to me. So I don't believe anything you're telling me right now. So you're going to jail. Okay?
I'm going to jail
Yep.
for what?
You're going to jail for speeding and for failure to stop for blue lights at this point.
Sir, I called a...
No, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. Lean up against the vehicle.
No, I mean, you're going to be no safer than you ever will be riding with a police officer, and you have one right behind you.
Okay. Have a seat.
Can I call my mom?
No, you can't call anybody until you get to the jail. Have a seat.
All right, we'll do it now on the truck right
All the way in.
I'm all the way
Put your knee in.
I can't.
Yeah, you can. Lift it up.
$87 Festival Bar.
67 one time.
No.
Yeah, he dipped off on me earlier.
I was going to stop. I thought he was going to go around me right here.
Huh?
I said I thought he was going to run into the front of my car.
Yeah, he's trying to go around. Is that what you said?
I thought he was going to.
Yeah, he dipped off on me on Chapels Highway. I mean, there wasn't no other silver Dodge Charger.
Yeah.
And he was going 80. I have no idea. But God. Ugh.
Yeah, he tried
Hey.
to what?
I was just going to see if y'all wanted to, and then we'll just get out of the road and just open the road back up.
I'm not supposed to drive his car.
Yeah, we're fine. We'll be all right.
Yeah, we'll be fine.
That's one clear copy deal.
Go ahead.
The board comes back to the authority work, 1928 Drayton Street.
Timber. Yeah, he thinks it matters if he calls. It doesn't matter.
We said it on the back road. He was on the South Carolina highway.
Oh, he threw something out somewhere.
Oh, it's in here. Locked in the box.
I did get keys.
There's keys right there. Yeah, I think so. You gotta pull it out. Yeah, that'll work.
you got it.
That's all that's in there. He threw something out. He had to have. Well, he did dip off on me, and I shot back up Chapel's, but yeah, I think he's. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What the fuck is that? Not even dry. So you gotta test it and see.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out what this shit is.
On the hood?
Yeah.
What if you did that, try to throw it in front, to avoid you from seeing it?
That looks smart. It looks like it's been wiped through one time. Tried to wipe it off.
Yeah, maybe. Looks like a bunch of bird poop.
Is it turning pink?
Yeah? You're kidding me.
Turn pink, man.
What the hell?
Some cocaine, ain't it?
Like I said, you might have tried to throw it in front to poop.
Like, try to wipe it off. Go ask him what it is.
That's pretty fucking crazy.
So how you gonna play this?
I don't know. I'm about to call Dave and see. What's the white stuff on the front of your hood, man?
Bird shit.
Bird shit?
Yeah.
That ain't bird shit.
Dispatch
I
single.
promise you that's bird doo doo.
Promise you it's not, though.
I swear to God that's bird doo doo.
Well, I swear to God it's not, because I just tested it and that turned pink.
You can see it on the windshield.
That's not bird poop.
I swear to God that's bird doo doo.
That's not bird poop.
I swear
That's
to
a
God.
lot of bird. That's a lot of bird shit, man.
I tried to clean it last night at the gas station. You can.
I can still wipe it off.
It's bird doo doo.
Okay.
Like,
All right. Okay. All right.
what's it? What?
I don't. It's just unless the bird inhaled cocaine, then. Hey. Okay. This Dodge Charger, it dipped off on me on Chapels Highway when I was coming down. It was going like 80, so I turned back around. I shot, I guess, by it. He must have pulled off on me somewhere, but then I came back and I saw the same vehicle go by me again, so I got back around it. But he has got white stuff all over the front of his vehicle, and I just kind of I had a hunch, so I got me one of the field test kits, and I wiped it, and it's come, and my little cocaine field test kit is turning pink. Yeah, it's weird. He's saying it's bird poop, but I don't believe anything he's telling me.
Dude, this had to been a high street machine.
Yeah, I mean, he's saying it's bird poop. I mean, it's a fucking. If it was a bird, this thing was a damn. Yeah, like Brantley just says. I don't know. I think he must have threw it out at the front. It's 22. Yeah. Yeah, I don't. Yeah.
Miss Higgins calling.
But
Did you open the glove compartment?
Yeah.
No, okay, nothing.
I'm not sure how to wipe all this stuff up, though. I'm not sure how to wipe this stuff up and, like, kind of contain it into evidence. Yeah, I'm not sure how to wipe it up, though. I don't know. He's saying it's bird poop, though, but it looks like little paint splotches, but it ain't bird poop. This ain't bird poop. It's white powder. It's a white powdery substance on the front of his fucking hood, so I don't. But I mean, clearly, yeah, he's not telling the truth on anything. So, but I think I got him under arrest for failure to stop for blue lights because I mean I was behind him for a good little ways. I mean, and speeding, and now the cocaine. I'm not sure how to package it up though. I want to like scrape it into a bag or something. Yeah, I mean it's weird. It's weird. I'm gonna send you a picture of it and show you. But yeah. For now, I mean I understand he called, but he called like way after, and he's just trying to get out of the stop, I guess. But he almost ran over Brantley. Brantley pulled in front of him, and he's trying to, I guess, get away. But that's what he tried doing the first time. Yeah, he's got like a Georgia Southern. I reckon he plays for Georgia Southern. He's got gear all in here. Okay, all right, I'll do it. Right.
It's been white through.
Yeah, they probably had like a damn drug deal or something.
Really?
Here, let me this might not even do right.
It's amazing they gotta go to town right now.
Yeah. It might not work. Just shine it on it. Okay. Look at. It turned pink. All that shit on the front of his car.
Look at that. They say it's bird dude.
He's saying it's bird shit, but he's fucking full of
This
shit.
man. As pink as that is.
Yeah. That's a first for me.
We might make some like the bird doo-doo case law or something.
Who's looking at the trunk with me?
I haven't even looked in the trunk yet. Yeah, let's take a peep in there. Yeah. You never know.
Oh, we got a Yeti. Hey, check that out. A cigar box? Oh, you know, okay.
It's some expensive cigars too, man.
It is?
Yeah.
Well, he's dealing dope, so it looks like cocaine. Nah.
Man, looks like he plays ball for Georgia Southern or something.
He got a thing for like quarterback scholarships.
He's about to be a shit out of luck.